Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload shorts on YouTube using PC or laptop. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So here we can see a little article. It is on the account of the YouTube regulation that YouTube short should be vertical and 1080 into 9020 can fill the entire mobile screen without black bars left. In fact, YouTube also categorizes the video as shorts, that is with a 1.1 aspect ratio and resolution of 1080p pixel by 1080p pixel. So I'm going to opening my shorts description to show you the resolution of the video. Properties and details, and as you can see, the video frame width is 1080p and frame height is 9020p. So make sure to make your video with 1080p and height 1920. And now let's see how to upload the shorts. So for that, here's open my blank YouTube channel and clicking on this plus icon, upload video, and I'm clicking on select files, and here is the video. We can add a title here, can add description, and here you want to select this option and click on next, select public and click on publish, and it may take some time to finish the processing. Okay, the video has been uploaded and now I'm going to refreshing my channel. So as you can see, the shorts has been uploaded. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider a subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.